Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're uncovering a dark and highly controversial practice: running secret prisons. Over the years, reports have emerged that intelligence agencies and governments have used secret prisons, also known as black sites, to detain and interrogate individuals outside of the public eye and beyond the reach of traditional legal protections. These facilities are often used to house suspected terrorists and political opponents, but the secrecy and lack of oversight raise serious concerns about human rights violations. In this episode, we'll explore the purpose of secret prisons, where they are located, and the impact they have on global human rights. Let's dive into the world of covert detention centers. What are secret prisons? Secret prisons, often called black sites, are hidden detention facilities operated by intelligence agencies, often located outside of their home countries to avoid legal constraints. These prisons are used to detain, interrogate, and sometimes torture individuals suspected of terrorism or involvement in activities that threaten national security. The covert nature of these sites means detainees are held without charges, access to legal representation, or trial, effectively bypassing traditional legal processes. The use of black sites became widely known during the War on Terror, as agencies sought ways to gain intelligence from suspected terrorists without the limitations of domestic law. However, the lack of transparency and accountability surrounding these sites raises serious ethical questions. Purpose and locations of secret prisons. The primary purpose of secret prisons is to obtain intelligence in an environment free from public scrutiny. By operating outside of regular legal frameworks, interrogators have more flexibility in their methods, which sometimes include harsh and controversial techniques like enhanced interrogation or even torture. These tactics are justified by their proponents as necessary measures to prevent future attacks and gather critical information swiftly. Many secret prisons are located in remote or politically stable countries, making them difficult to monitor. Reports indicate that black sites have existed in various countries, including Eastern Europe, the Middle East, and Asia. Some of these locations were chosen because of cooperative agreements with local governments, who allowed foreign intelligence agencies to operate with minimal oversight. Controversies and human rights concerns. The existence of secret prisons has sparked global outrage due to allegations of human rights abuses. Detainees often report being subjected to inhumane treatment, including physical and psychological torture, with no opportunity to defend themselves legally. These black sites operate in a legal gray zone, often outside international humanitarian law, leading to criticism from human rights organizations and the global community. The Guantanamo Bay detention camp is one of the most widely known examples, although it operates with a level of transparency not seen in true black sites. Guantanamo has drawn attention to the ethical concerns and blurred legal boundaries that come with such detention facilities. Critics argue that secret prisons not only violate human rights, but also undermine the principles of justice and transparency, damaging the reputation of the governments that support them. The impact of secret prisons on international relations. The use of secret prisons has strained relations between countries, especially when host nations face pressure from human rights organizations or their own citizens. Allegations of foreign governments operating black sites on a country's soil can lead to diplomatic tensions and backlash, damaging alliances and raising questions about sovereignty and human rights commitments. The revelation of black sites also fuels distrust between the public and government institutions. When citizens learn that their governments are operating in secrecy and potentially violating human rights, it undermines confidence in leadership and increases scrutiny of intelligence agencies. The practice of running secret prisons is one of the most controversial aspects of modern intelligence and counter-terrorism efforts. While proponents argue they serve an essential role in national security, the ethical and human rights implications are significant and far-reaching. If you found this exploration into the shadowy world of black sites informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on future content. Let us know in the comments what you think about secret prisons, and if there are other hidden operations you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.